What's up guys? Sunday morning, I'm at CrossFit Livermore with my buddy Matt. Yeah, you know him from that workout we talked about that one time. Also he makes videos and does all kinds of cool stuff. So anyways, I'm at his gym, CrossFit Livermore, trying to get better today. And he's trying to write super dope CrossFit workouts for all of his members. So, you know, we're being productive. I think I'm gonna set a timer for about an hour and just snatch light weights, try to make them look right. And Matt's gonna count all of my reps. So here we go. Check it out. Would you say that was a good intro?
Yeah, that was solid.
You liked it?
Yeah, you did good.
He's also my vlog coach, so.
That's what I'm gonna make a shirt that says that. I feel the vlog coach.
I think we're ready for 50 kilos. It's been about 20 minutes, so maybe we can put it on. I think I'm ready. I'm gonna start with the no feet variation, then maybe work some 3 position in, and then probably just some full snatches. So I'll go through all 3 technical pieces and then move on from there. That was it. All right. I like that set a lot, actually. I'm gonna put 70 on now. Probably finish up with some 70s, and that'll be good. It's been about an hour and a half now, I think. So should have been done. Went a little slow, but that's all right. It's just Sunday, so it's okay to move slow on Sunday. But here's 70. I think that's going to be it for me. It was a little longer than I had intended on training anyways, but I feel like I got some good work in. Feeling good about my lifting, and we're going into a pretty heavy week, so I just wanted to come in and tune up the snatch a little bit, make sure I'm feeling good, and don't just be too stagnant for my off day. You know, I want to come back tomorrow and feel strong, feel fresh, and not be stiff at all. Maybe I'm feeling the pressure a little bit, so we're snatching, clean jerking pretty big this week coming up, so I don't want to not be prepared. So anyways, might see y'all later. Peace.
Progress running through them telephone wires.